Small pleasures of life. Now, this is highly personal. For some, it could be listening to your favorite music, your first sip of coffee, a freshly prepared meal, or growing your own kitchen garden. The list will be always different for all. For me, gardening is one such activity that gives me so many of such small pleasures. In today's video, I will show you how I created this beautiful herb garden. So yes, let's quickly begin the video. For making this herb garden, I'm going to upcycle these ice cream tubs to beautiful planters. I have taken 4 of these, out of which 2 I will paint in peach tones and 2 in navy blue. Here I am using this homemade chalk paint which I made by mixing 2 spoons of acrylic paint and 1 spoon each of white cement and water. For this peachy tone, I have used 1 spoon skin tint and 1 spoon metallic gold. Now we need to apply 2 coats of this paint. After the first coat dries up, dab the second coat of paint with the help of sponge. Similarly, I am painting the other 2 tubs in navy blue, which I made by mixing blue with little black. Here, after all the 4 tubs are ready, now I will stick this stencil which I have cut on an OHP sheet and paint in the contrasting color. Like on peach, use navy, and on navy, use peach. After that, here I am using this 3D outliner to give some details to the label and to the outlining. Now it's time to cover the rim of the tub. For that, here I have taken this jute ribbon, again in the contrasting colors. Wrap them around the rim using white glue. So now you can see our beautiful planters are ready. Now for placing these planters, I have made this beautiful floating shelf. So let me quickly show you how I made this. For making this, first we need a thick rope. Cut the rope as per your required length and tie the open ends together to create a closed loop. Now after this, bring the 2 ends together and tie a woolen thread at the top by leaving around 1 inch space to create a hanging loop. Next, here I am going to wrap this jute twine just below this woolen thread, taking only 2 ropes together. This wrapping is completely optional, you can skip this, but I feel this is going to give strength to the rope and will be good for the long run. Keep wrapping like this till you cover 3/4 of the white rope. This is how it should look after wrapping jute twine. Here 2 of these are ready where I will place my wooden plank. Next, I have taken this wooden stick of same length as my plank and pushed both the ropes on each end of it. Also here I have taken this another piece of white rope and created this hanging loop at the middle of this rope by wrapping jute twine. This rope I will tie at the ends of this stick. Now further, using this MDF board, I have made this fresh herbs sign which I am going to fix on the stick using jute ribbon. Now it's time to hang this rope structure on the wall and place the wooden plank in these rope hoops. Arrange your favorite herbs and you are good to go. So guys, that's all for today. Hope you enjoyed the making of this herb garden. Don't forget to hit the like button and share this video with your friends and family. Do consider subscribing to FabTab if you haven't yet. See you soon in the next video. Till then, stay fabulous.